Hello students, welcome to Rathods Science Academy. Today in this video, we are going to see 2026 UPSC Prelim strategy and timetable and a clear-cut study plan, guys. And if you are writing this year prelims for the first time, and even though we have enough time to clear your prelims, guys, and follow the schedule, for sure you're going to clear this prelims for sure. And in this video, I'm going to give you phase-wise plan from December 10th till your prelims, and I'll going to give you the list of the book that you have to follow, and even I'm going to tell you how a clearer and repeater make the difference. What are the things that you have to follow if you want to clear this examination? And if you're not following that, for sure you will be becoming a repeater, guys. And please don't skip this video if you're planning for this UPSC Prelims 2026 for sure. And please do watch until last. Okay, so I'm going to give you the phase-wise study plan, and I'm dividing it to phase 0, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. As I said, we are going to start this plan from December 10th because I don't know when this video will be posted. So because of this, I'm taking December 10th, and from this December 10th till December 31st, we are having around 3 weeks of time. In this 3 weeks of time, you have to build a strong foundation on your polity, guys. Okay, not only reading polity, but even if you have not yet started your newspaper reading, so try to start your newspaper reading, and from now onwards you should not skip even a single day's newspaper, because from current affairs you will be getting good number of questions, guys. At least from December 10th, if you have not started, try to start your newspaper reading and build a foundation, because newspaper reading will improve your skills regarding analyzing of reading comprehensions in your CSAT. Don't underestimate this newspaper reading. Okay, and daily you have to spend around 6 to 7 hours in this phase 0, and you have to read NCERTs plus Lakshmikant plus newspaper. In this NCERTs, no need of reading 6 to 12 class of NCERTs of politics. Just read class 11 Constitution at Work NCERT and try to complete your Lakshmikant. And daily you need to keep target of 6 to 7 hours minimum, guys. And in this phase 1, that is from January 1st to February 28th, so we have around 2 months of time, right? So in this 2 months you have to finish your static portion. Apart from polity, you will be having geography, you will be having history, economy, and as well as environment and ecology. So keep this environment and ecology apart, but at least complete this geography and as well as economy and as well as history. These 3 areas that you have to complete, and you have to complete all basic books one time. For your geography, the sources will be NCERT, only NCERT, no need of taking any standard book. For ancient, medieval and as well as modern, pick one book as your static source. Okay, only one book, not many books. And for economy also there will be one book, I'll tell at the last. And in the phase 2, from March 1st to April 15th, you will be having overall 45 days. So in these 45 days, you have to start your revision part. So we already completed our static portion, right? We completed our polity and as well as other subjects here. So now we have to sit on revision. You have to revise whatever you did. Along with that, you have to start solving of PYQs. And after solving of this PYQs, you have to solve now full length test also. And next one is, here you have to increase the time, that is you have to ensure that you are spending 9 to 10 hours every day on your preparation, and you have to do revision plus test. Revision test, that is a work that you have to do in this 45 days. And last one is phase 3. So whatever the time that is left over, that is from April 16th till May 23rd, you will be having around 5 to 6 weeks of time. In that you have to complete second and third phase of revision, and you have to completely sit on mock test and as well as PYQs. And from this December onwards, whenever you are starting your preparation, every day you have to give around 1 to 1.5 hours for the CSAT case. Don't underestimate the CSAT. So this is the phase-wise plan that you have to follow from December 10th till your examination, guys. If you follow this and if you are increasing your number of hours, here you can see phase-wise I am also increasing the number of hours, because if I say directly to you to sit for 12 hours and you have to start studying 12 hours, it won't happen in the first day. So because of this, start slowly initially. 6 to 7 hours, later on 8 to 9 hours, 9 to 10 hours, and 10 to 12 hours. Whenever examination is near, you have to spend more number of hours for sure, guys. Okay. After that, now let us see the book list, exact book list, and as well as sequence you can follow. First one is polity. For polity, as I said, we have 11th class NCRT. Apart from that, we have Lakshmikant. Remember one thing is, before going to examination hall, you have to revise at least 4 to 5 times of your Lakshmikant. And for modern history, Spectrum or old NCRT, we will always suggest you to take this Spectrum. And this one is for ancient, medieval, and art and culture. For ancient India, you can take new NCRT or like old NCRT, R.S. Sharma, whatever that is there. Pick only one book. And for medieval India, you can take new NCRT or old NCRT, Satish Chandra. That is absolutely your wish. And for art and culture, you can take Nitin Singhania. And after taking this Nitin Singhania, also there is no need of reading each and every chapter. Take Nitin Singhania and take PYQs and read selectively only certain chapters of your Nitin Singhania, guys. And next one is geography. For geography, only NCRTs. Only NCRTs is more than enough. And for your economy, you have Sanjeev Verma book or Vivek Singh, or we have Ramesh Singh. We will not suggest Ramesh Singh because it is very bulky. So just for understanding concept, you can take Sanjeev Verma or you can take Nitin Singhania for economy, or we have this Vivek Singh. So in these 3 books, you can pick one book that you can easily understand and read that book completely. And this one is for environment. You can take Shankar IAS latest edition book, or else you can take your biology 12th class NCRT. Last 3 chapters will be of environment and ecology. You can take that, but mostly current affairs based questions will come from environment and ecology. You have to focus on current affairs. And next one is science. For science, you can read NCRTs, but mostly you will be getting questions from your science and technology related current affairs, guys. For current affairs from our Rathods Science Academy, we are providing monthly compilations. In that monthly compilations also, we are providing separate for prelims and separately for mains. So take out this monthly current affairs separately given for your prelims and you can completely rely on it. So if you want to get that current affairs magazines, you can download our Rathods IAS Academy app. In that you can get this monthly compilation course just for 10 rupees. So if you pay just 10 rupees, you will be getting current affairs from this April onwards, guys. You can download it and you can read it. And these are the sources for your prelims, guys. One thing I want to say here is follow only one book, and how many multiple times you can revise that many times, only one book rather than reading many books. Okay. And one more thing here is I want to tell the golden rules that you have to follow in this preparation that will separates a clearer from a repeater. Why? Because many a times here in this UPSC preparation, more than 10 lakhs of applications will come every year, guys. But out of that, only 40 to 50,000 people will clear prelims, not all. Why? Because they follow certain strategy. I'll tell you what are the steps will be followed by this clearers and how it is different from these repeaters. If you want to become a clearer rather than a repeater, try to follow this, guys. Keep that in your mind. First one is never skip newspaper, because newspaper will give updates regarding what is happening, current affairs, right? So if you are not having good grip on the current affairs, you cannot clear prelims, and even in mains it will be very difficult to write your answers. And this one is solve minimum 8,000 to 10,000 MCQs before your prelims. Especially you have to complete every PYQ for sure, guys. From last 20 to 25 years of PYQs, you have to do that. And next one here is what are the full length tests which are available. You can take that full length mock test. Practicing is very important. Through practicing, you can know like new points. You can add value addition and as well as new points for your notes. That will help you to clear your examination. And this one is you have to revise Lakshmikant minimum 4 to 5 times. Normally I gave 6 times. 6 times if it is not possible, at least you have to revise 4 to 5 times. And this one is CSAT is a qualifier, but 90% of beginners are failing here. So every day we have to practice a CSAT. And regarding this CSAT, I will be making a separate video like how you have to approach the CSAT. And this one is do not buy 50 books, stick to one list. Stick to above list, guys. And this one is make mistakes in mocks, not in exam day. What are the possible mistakes that you can do? Do it in mocks only. Try to not do that mistakes in your final exam. You should not do mistakes in your final examination, guys. And as well as last 10 days, you have to sleep 8 hours and you have to revise only your notes. Don't read anything new. So in this last 10 days, you have to be very much careful. Focus on your PYQs and try to understand how UPSC is trapping the students. And next, you have to revise your own notes, not at all the new things. You should not keep any other new subject or new topic for this time, guys. It is not at all a right time. And before this 10 days of examination, try to write this mock test in that time, morning, whatever the timings will be there for UPSC, 9:30 to 11:30 you have to sit and you have to do GS, and in the afternoon 2:30 to 4:30 try to do the CSAT. So try to adjust your timing so that your brain will listen to your words and you can understand like how your brain is working in that timings especially. Okay, so these are the tips that you can follow. And now I want to introduce our GS Prelims test series, and we are going to launch it from 20th of December, guys. And here we are providing around 40 tests, and mostly the questions will be from UPSC repeated themes, and we'll give the questions like how UPSC asks the questions in the same format. We are going to give the questions, and here we are going to provide around 14 sectional tests and as well as 6 current affairs based tests. 2 tests will be on economic survey plus schemes, and we are providing 6 revisional tests on subjects, and 2 will be like current affairs combined test and full length test and comprehensive test. Okay, and here we are going to start this from 15, but the test will be started from 20th, guys. And you can see those details of this timetable of this courses, and this browser, everything is given in the description box. Don't forget, guys. And the cost of this course is just 1500 rupees only, guys. And you're going to get 40 tests. Okay, so try to join this course, and if you have any queries regarding this test series, you can contact us on this number 8074765513. Don't forget, guys. And thank you so much. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and please do share this video to your friends, and do subscribe to Rathods IAS Academy. You can suggest about this test to your friends as well, guys. Thank you so much.